See your room, compare it to mine. Yeah. Trees. Sarah, close up.
No. They was gonna look at t-shirts.
Hey, Dale. What's happening? We're gonna fade out here.
Asked me how I knew them, and so I was telling him. I was telling him all about it.
Sure. Let's go. Here's my room. You can see the waves right there. What you see right there, the white thing, is a boat for when the Titanic sinks. You get into that thing, but here's the view from my room. You can see the islands over there. I'll zoom in. I said I'll zoom in. Got something? Okay, get ready for a good view right here. This is on the side of the boat here. Straight ahead are the islands we just came from, spending about 4 hours out there in the seawater. You'll see a boat right there. That boat takes us to and from the boat that I'm standing on now, the big boat. We spent 4 hours there in that seawater and ate and got sunburnt. Water as far as you can see. Here's how it looks from where I'm standing. This is deck number 6. I live on 7. Sarah's on 2. Here's another boat coming down the water. A little traffic jam here with a small boat beside it. See if you can get it here. Those islands that we were at end about right there. Here's the rest of the view. Water as far as you can see, but right there. Come on. This place is called Stirrup Cave City. This is where we've been all day today. Same place we've been showing you here for a while, but I just now remember the name of it. Same day, it's still Wednesday, and this is the other side of the boat, on the opposite side of Stirrup Cave. It's about as close as I'm getting to the edge here. Shot. Here's a close-up of one of these boats. That's the rescue boats. How they're connected up there. Everybody comes out on deck number 6 if there's an emergency, and these boats come down and gets into these boats and hope they don't drown. Water. Sarah. Still water.
Are you walking in and recording water?
This is at the helm of the boat right here, where I'm going to now quote a quote from one of my favorite movies. I'm sailing! I'm really, really sailing! You hear the thing there. This is the top of the boat here. Swimming pool. There's a group of people coming in from the island we just came from. That boat seats 450 people and just travels back and forth from the boat to the island. To quote a Crossman song, you should see the view from here. This is the very, very top of the boat where we can be. Here's probably the best view of the island. It's just that we're going to get. If you watching at home, I'll give you a taste of what the boat felt like on Monday night as we were eating dinner. Okay, we're back. We're right up here with the doll at the top. Deck number 9. They're singing for the Dove Brothers right there. rocks on fire. I miss school. Here's the pool that we just saw. I think them were 9 up down there. Inside the pool are 2 jacuzzis where those 2 little umbrellas are. Hot tubs. We've been here since about 8:30 this morning, and we'll depart about 5:30. Elevators are on each floor. The door numbers are lit up on the posts like this. Their stuff. This is the Cabaret Lounge. Crossman sang here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Here's the Internet Cafe. 75 cents per minute. Believe it. Casinos were taken out. Casino machines were taken out, set on the side. And the Crossman's table was set up with everybody else's over here. Didn't I do a good job? I just found where I'm going to spend the next 3 hours waiting for supper.
Oh wow.
This is the Stardust Lounge. Well, Crossman will be singing tonight, Wednesday night.